We went to the hot waterfall in the morning. Now it's after 2 p.m. We are going to the Crystal Lake. It's 20 minutes from here, not from the waterfall. We are gonna kayak. We arrived to the baby. Take the batteries, GoPro batteries. We arrived to the location, Crystal Lake. Crystal Mirror Lake. Yeah. So when you go from there, there will be one turn left, but you go straight because there is kayak for 400 and here is 300. This place. I don't see bags. It's fine in my jacket. Yeah, they will give jacket. This is the water. Transparent. Ready?
Yeah. A story. Video for story.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye. All right, off we go.
It's very shallow, that's why they have to follow this. You just touch something. So shallow. Like you can walk here.
Yeah.
Well, if you have to overtake video, you can turn the overtake on. Wow, cool.
I want to take a video. Hold on.
Holding on.
Oh. This is much more scarier than the cave thing.
Seriously?
Yeah, I want to fall.
But if you fall here, you will stand on your knees, on your legs.
Some parts are a bit deep now.
If you fall there, you would drown.
Pretty cool. I'm shaking.
You're scared.
Because I don't like water, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
But so you are not enjoying it?
Not really.
Okay.
So nice. So I want to chill and just roll, then that's not scary for me. But when there's too much of movement and then stuff, it's a bit freaky. Not freaky, but scary. Oh, sorry. Jam. There's a jam. Please don't get stuck.
We're not gonna get stuck, don't worry.
Okay. It's a bit crowded here. Sorry. There's another one. There's another one. So many beautiful dragonflies, like colorful. So many colorful dragonflies.
Yeah. So that's where people come or not?
I don't know.
But what did it say for people to swim?
I have no idea, baby. There's a wait. There's a big cat. It's cold. Oh, this is a nice tree. The water is so murky.
No, it's just because it's dark. That's why it seems, wow, cool.
It's actually cool, yeah. I think the water is clear. It's just that it's so busy there. Ah, sorry. I think that's where you swim.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. To go around, I guess.
Do not swim in this area.
We're gonna get stuck there. Okay, this is a better water. Oh, you've got fish. You can see fish there. Do you see?
No.
You can't? Ew, it's gonna come this side. To your side. That there. It's gonna be tricky. It's a game. We're gonna get straight ahead. It's the branch. Do not swim. This is nice.
There is a way.
Is there? Yeah, the water is pretty blue here. The water is blue here.
Bluish.
Yeah.
It's bluish.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. I wanna jump there.
Baby. Oh, there is a way. Yeah.
No.
No.
No way.
No, yeah, they have put the trees down. It's such a narrow turn.
Smooth.
I'm here.
I'm gonna take the GoPro over again.
Oh, we need to change the battery. Forget it.
So this is the paper
Yes.
made
paper.
from that palm tree. Yeah, nice.
Bit lighter.
I gave you. So all this, a lot of these people came after us. It's getting more crowded. What's happening?
Trying to roll.
Are you struggling with the local palm tree leaf?
Yes, I am.
No glue, yeah?
No, no glue. Organic.
What's happening?
So somebody like fell literally to the waist.
Yeah? Till their waist?
Yes,
Seriously?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, there is a hole.
Like, so the swamp is very deep.
Okay.
I'm making a story.
Okay. Show me. Nice.
Yes, I was waiting for you to jump, but then you started chilling. So
Nice. So cool.
yes.
That's why nobody wants to leave Thailand. In the airport, when we arrived, on the immigration, the lady was asking me too many questions. Why am I coming to Thailand? For how long? Blah blah. So I said, I love Thailand. She said, I know, and she started smiling. Like it's nothing, nothing is new. Probably she hears this from most of the tourists.
How are we? Good?
Very good.
Yeah. Thunder. He's sleeping so well. Maybe we should be behind him. There's some driftwood there. How is it?
Nice.
Yeah, I'm getting rowed and I'm getting pulled now.
Huh?
I said I'm getting rowed. I was getting rowed, now I'm getting pulled.
Yes. Okay, I found a jumping spot. You can see how transparent the water is, how clean. Nice. And I moved it a little bit, that's why it's murky. Look here. Cool. Hopefully I will not lose the GoPro. Maybe. Yeah, this way. Water is so warm here. In the jungle it was cold. Now the water is super warm. And the memory is running out. I'm running out of memory. Oh. Cool. I don't know. This is probably I had two places in Phi 4 years ago. Cave. This jungle boat ride. Or this is I think fifth the most beautiful place I've seen. Yeah, in Thailand. I mean 5 places in Thailand. All right. Hopefully the video was good. So beautiful. The sunset is. So there is a slide for kids. Yeah, kids are having fun. Okay, second try. I'm gonna jump, take one more video. Hopefully it's a good video. Alright, I'm gonna make one more video when I jump.